Hi, it's Kristin from Your Wellness Center, and today I'm going to talk to you all about basics for skincare routines. I know a lot of people feel overwhelmed and don't really know where to begin, so hopefully by the end of this video you'll have a better understanding. The first thing that I think is important to understand is what kind of skin do you have? Are you somebody who has just normal skin with occasional outbreaks? Is your skin dry? Are you more acne prone and oily? Understanding that is going to help you pick the right products to address those concerns. Next, once you've figured out what your skin type is, you want to focus on 4 basic steps: cleansing the skin, treating the skin, moisturizing the skin, and then protecting your skin. With each of these categories, you're going to take your skin type in mind when you're choosing ingredients. So for example, when we're looking at a cleanser, if you are somebody who has more oil, more acne, you're going to want to choose ingredients that include salicylic acid that will help with decongesting your pores. If your skin is dry, you're going to want to choose a cleanser that can gently remove dirt, debris, congestion throughout the day, or makeup, but also keep that skin barrier intact. For the treatment step, there are going to be 2 different options. Morning, you're likely going to use a vitamin C serum. What vitamin C is going to do is going to help with pigmentation. It's going to lighten pigmentation that's already on the skin. Some formulations also help with redness, decreasing inflammation. And then it's also going to protect against UV damage, environmental pollution. So that's going to just act as a treatment step to prevent future aging. At nighttime, you're going to use a retinol product. What retinol does is it helps increase skin cell turnover, getting rid of some of that dead skin that's right on the surface of our skin, and make way for new skin cells. It's good if you have oily skin, but it's also just a general preventative anti-aging step. The third step is moisturizing your skin. As I've mentioned with previous steps, you want to choose a moisturizer that targets your needs. If you are oily, choose a product that has salicylic acid in it that helps decongest your pores, but also provides moisture. If you are dry, you're going to want to look for ingredients that are going to support that skin barrier. Last but certainly not least is the protection step. And when I talk about protection, I'm talking about sunscreen. Each of us should wear sunscreen every single day of the year, whether it's the middle of summer or the middle of winter and the sun never pops out behind a cloud. We are exposed to UV rays even on cloudy days. We're going to protect our skin against those rays, which can cause premature aging and sun damage. One thing to really remember is you want to focus on a physical or a mineral sunscreen. So that's why it's very important to look at the ingredients. If you are making these changes to improve your skin, you don't want to use a product that could potentially flare up the exact issue you're trying to fix. So chemical sunscreens oftentimes will cause your skin to become more red. It can increase pigmentation and melasma, so you want to avoid that. Look for physical or mineral sunscreen ingredients. Those would be ingredients like titanium dioxide or zinc oxide. So talking about ingredients to look for and avoid, we mentioned physical and chemical sunscreens, but there's also some just general ingredients that you want to avoid in all of the products. Those include fragrances, dyes, perfumes, parabens, oils, even essential oils. You definitely want to avoid products that include those. Now, some special considerations are for our pregnant and breastfeeding individuals. If you are pregnant or breastfeeding, or even plan to become pregnant, you want to avoid salicylic acid, retinols, hydroquinone. If there's ever any question on whether or not an ingredient is safe for you, if you're pregnant or breastfeeding, reach out to your physician. They should be able to help with that as well. When you're starting a new skincare routine, you want to give yourself 6 to 8 weeks before you start seeing results. Now, anytime you start a new product, there is a chance that your body could purge, meaning you're going to have some more outbreaks just as your body acclimates to the new product. Typically, that purging period lasts about 2 weeks. If you are having irritation, breakouts, redness beyond that 2-week period while using this new product, it could mean that it maybe isn't a good fit for you, that you're reacting to that product, and that would be a reason to discontinue use. If at that 6 to 8 week mark you're not seeing the results you want, that would also be another time to maybe look at switching to a different product. Another consideration for changing out your product is going to be the time of the year. If you live in an area where you have really hot, humid summers and really dry, cold winters, the cleanser or moisturizer that you're using in the summer may not be the same one that you can use in the winter. So just keep an eye on how your skin is handling those environments, how they're handling your product, and then make adjustments as needed. If you're still feeling lost or have additional questions, remember that you can always schedule a skincare consult with us here in the office. We can take time, sit down with you, discuss your skincare concerns, discuss your skincare goals, and really craft a plan that's individualized to you to meet all of those goals. Hopefully this video was informative and you've learned a few things to help you on your skincare journey. For more tips and tricks, check out some of the other videos on our channel, and you can also head to our website for more information.